So the next question says, which equation represents the relationship between GDP and the four major expenditure components? So we're going to write that out as, let me see if I can start a text box. So GDP is equal to, or Y is equal to consumption plus investment plus government spending plus net exports. So this is the expenditure approach to calculating GDP. And so C represents consumption, I is investment, G is government spending, net exports is exports minus imports. And so if we add up all these things together, and these are the expenditure components for GDP. Let's take a look at the answer choice given by the tutor. So yep, GDP is equal to C plus I plus G plus NX. This is a very straightforward, just kind of recall question. And so the tutor goes on to explain that GDP is the aggregate of the market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic borders of an economy in a given period of time, most often in a year. It can be presented as a sum of consumption expenditure C, gross investment I, government expenditure G, and net exports NX, where net exports are the difference between the exports and imports of a country. And GDP is a representation of the economic activity of a nation. And yep, this is great. Very straightforward. Great, very straightforward answer. Yeah, I don't think there's many bells and whistles with this one. This is very just recall.